Welcome back. So I was telling you about the example of Pandharpur. Okay, we are known about the Pandharpur city as a pilgrimage center due to Lord Vitthana, and the people who are arriving into the Pandharpur, they're coming from the nearby area around 500 kilometer, and they have made their actually it was the this was happened because of the entry and exit of the Lord Vitthala's temple, but now they have considered this is the tradition. We should leave our chappals or shoes at this place, and this will be काय म्हणायचं त्याला पुण्य कर्म. And hence I'm not telling you the fake information, but you can check that information after every wari, means that big one, Ashadi wari. Pandharpur municipality is collecting 2 tractors chappals from the Lord Vittal temple's area. Where to decompose it? What is the use of that? Neither we will be able to search the pairs, or to make it use for someone else, and that chappals are usually plastic or the another kind of material which is not decomposable material. What is to be done with this, and how long this is going to be happen? Someone should take step to avoid such kinds of generations. Not only day-to-day activities are producing the solid waste, but also the such kinds of traditions are producing the solid waste. So such a huge amount of chappals and shoes where to dispose by the municipality. So that is the big question with respect to that municipal waste, one kind of municipal waste. Then we'll see. I hope you have written. I will give 1 more minute to complete that slide. Okay. If you have completed, we'll go to the next point. Next is the industrial waste, the discarded material of manufacturing process and industrial operations. And I already explained to you about the industrial waste. It is one kind of homogenic waste. It may be a biodegradable, it may be non-degradable, it may be hazardous waste, whatever will be there, but it will be homogeneous type from the particular industry. Okay, if multiple industries together collecting their waste, then it will be heterogeneous type of waste. But usually industries are having the ban to use it properly or to dispose it. There are the rules and regulations by the government. So they are following the rules in respect of disposal of solid waste. It will be unique for each industry. Suppose power plants are there, there will be, what will be the byproduct of power plant? Of course, ashes and residues. Okay, this you can use as a filler for the soils, filler for the cement industry, cement, is it? But you need to reuse it. Then hazardous waste, if it is hazardous waste, there should be a proper, very proper arrangement need to be have for the disposal of hazardous waste. Then the agricultural waste, it is again homogenic, am I right? Again it will be homogenic. It is resulting from the agricultural activity. Suppose after some time you are cutting the crops, at that time you are taking the crops required part, and the remaining part will be act as a waste in that particular farm, is it? So that will be, but it will be uniform for that particular plot, and accordingly you can decide what type of disposal treatment you need to apply. Either you can decompose it as it is at that same place, or you can collect it and use it, crush it mechanically, and then convert it into the manure by using the vermicomposting or the composting, any of the method, is it? That will be the proper disposal. Usually with respect to agricultural area, it will not be that much dangerous. But if you are thinking to burn it, again it is going to be create the air pollution. Then the spoiled grains, vegetables, agricultural remain over there will be identified as a agricultural waste. So these are the different classification of solid waste. Okay, now further we are going to see different types of solid waste on type based, or this will be one of the type based classification. Another type of classification we are going to see, and usually if the question is there to classify various types of solid waste, then you need to write down this. These are the terminologies. From these terminologies there will be the MCQ type of questions also. So we'll see these terminologies. First type of solid waste is the garbage, or we can say it is a simply food waste, or we can say it is a decomposable waste, biodegradable waste. Okay, you should remember garbage is nothing but the decomposable or biodegradable. Means what? It can be decomposed by the microbes or the bacteria in presence of moisture. That is the garbage. Animal and vegetable waste resulting from handling, storage, sale preparation, cooking and serving of food are the garbage. It is putrescible organic matter. Remember this word, putrescible organic matter. Okay, why should remember this? Because putrescible organic matter, putrescible word is for the decomposable, biodegradable, as I just now I explained. And usually such type of waste is going to be generate odor. It attracts the flies or the rats or the microbes or the bacteria. And for that type of solid waste requires the immediate attention towards the storage, handling and disposal. Otherwise it will convert into unhygienic environment. Then for such type of waste, usually the source is the household source or the marketplaces. It may be meat market, it may be vegetable market. From that, such type of waste is generating, or such type of waste generating is known as the garbage. Okay. Then ashes and residues. Residues from burning of wood, coal and other combustible material. Usually it can be used as a filler material. Okay. Most of the time such type of huge amount of solid waste, huge amount of solid waste is getting generated from the power plants. Okay, fine powdery residue, is it clinkers mixed with the small pieces of glass and metal. Then large quantity from power plant or the factories, or the especially we can say it is generating from the industrial area. Okay, these are the first two types of classification. First one is the garbage, which we can say putrescible, which we can say biodegradable, which we can say decomposable. Second one, ashes or residues. Okay, after burning, complete burning or incomplete burning of wood, coal, or such type of combustible material, whatever the byproduct is generating will be identified as a second type of solid waste, and that is ashes or the residues. Then the next one is the rubbish. What is meant by rubbish? Municipal waste except garbage and ash. Earlier we saw garbage and ash. What is meant by garbage? Whatever is the biodegradable waste, it will be, or we can say putrescible waste is the garbage. And what is the ash? Residue remained after the burning is the ashes. Then what is the rubbish? Rubbish may be combustible as well as non-combustible material. Examples I have presented over here. Under the combustible, you can take the paper, cardboard, wood, boxes, plastics, clothes, grass, leaves, leather, rubber. But non-combustible, metals, glass bottles, crockery, stones, bricks, ceramics, is it mineral, then refuse. Such types of waste will be identified as a non-combustible. Under rubbish, what type of solid waste is coming? Combustible or non-combustible, but there will not be the garbage, there will not be the ashes. After combustion, whatever the product generating, that will be ash, but that will not be the rubbish. Before burning, this can be identified as a rubbish one. Then the street sweeping. While street sweeping, whatever the street walkways or the parks provided over there, and the public are throwing their material, will be collected, considered as a street sweepings. In that, dirt, leaves, animal droppings, dead animals, broken vehicles, everything will be comes under the street sweeping. Again, there will be a heterogeneous characteristic of street sweeping. I think you have not written this one. Still different types are remained. I request first slide to write types of soil, types of solid waste. In time being, I will take the attendance. मोठं जिकरीचं काम आहे अटेंडन्स घ्यायचं म्हणजे काय ते गोसावी सरांची काही फॉर्म्युला लागू पडेल नाही. पाठवला का फॉर्म्युला पाठवतो म्हणलं होते. You should write A55, A33, like B1, B2, B3, A1, A2, A3. Only space you can provide. Don't write tab or anything else. 11T of Chormule Snehal Sambhaji. I will not take you. I will not be able to take your attendance because I am not able to identify from which division you are. Simply you can write A1, A2, B1, B2. So many of the students have given very nicely attendance. A division 1, 7, 5, 12, 17, 22, 25, 32, 38. Proper format you are requested to use for your attendance purpose. That is A space 01, A space 12 like this, or B space, don't give dash, colon, anything. 22, 25, 32, 38, 40, 41, 45, 47, 49, 58, 02, 57, 01, 02. Sormule Snehal, tell me your roll number and division. Sormule Snehal. Okay, listen guys, we are going to stop here now. But before that, I would like to give you an important instruction. It becomes very difficult to maintain your attendance. So here I will show you Control-M in this. One should write your attendance like A space 01. If it is not more than 10, it will be A simple space 12. Likewise, B space 13 or B space 05. Likewise, attendance should be written. Otherwise, the mid names will not be considered. Okay, it becomes quite difficult to take the attendance. No, don't write here now. I'm saying, I'm asking you, don't use that hyper, then colon, etc. You should write your name itself as like this, and then after 101 A space 01 space your name Sujata. Likewise, okay. Likewise here space A space 12 Anil. Okay, or complete name you are right. You can write. Okay, this way you should write, please. Okay, now we will stop here. I think everybody has given their attendance. I have taken attendance from the participants list, not required to write in the chat box. Still, if you have written, I will take it. I will recheck that. Those who have written in a chat box, other can leave. Only I was asking attendance about the girl. What is name? Snehal Chormole. Snehal Chormole. I think she has joined just for the second and she is not paying attention. That's why she is not able to change her name. Those who have written their roll numbers in a chat box can leave. Snehal Chormule, you need to speak out. Otherwise, your absent will be there. Okay, thank you very much, everybody.